Join us for Turning Point Miracle Service live at Christ Royal Family International Church every Tuesdays in the month of February 2025. Date Tuesday 4th, Tuesday 11th, Tuesday 18th and Tuesday 25th of February 2025. Time 9 a.m. daily. Team Breaking the Cycles. Venue Egbeda Glass Cathedral, number 18-20 Basarumi Street, off Ogunlano Street, Egbeda Bus Stop, Egbeda, Lagos State, Nigeria. Host Apostle Larry Samson. Chief host Bishop Tom Samson.
Don't look at what you see, for what you see is subject to change. Trust in the Lord. There is something in the midst of your nothing. Eyes have not seen, ears have not heard. It has not entered the heart of any man what the Lord are prepared for those who trust him. Trust him. You build the house this year. Trust him. You open a factory this year. Trust him. You become employers of labor. And I prophesy, this word I speak will not return unto me void.
Get ready for that genetic and generational cycle to be broken. For inquiry, please call the numbers on your screen.
God says I should take somebody to this your day of visitation.
Don't miss it. Make sure you attend.